If you're starting a nonprofit or already leading one, you probably know how important it is to understand the numbers behind the mission. But knowing you need a financial plan and knowing how to build one are two different things. That's why we created the AMA Consulting Group Nonprofit Financial Plan Workbook. This revised edition was designed to make financial planning clearer, more practical, and easier to use. Inside, you'll find guided planning tools, 3-year financial projections, financial statements, program planning, a financial snapshot, and supporting trackers to help you organize the information behind your projections. Let's take a quick look inside. After the cover, you'll find guidance on how to use the workbook and complete your projections. Each worksheet also includes an overview, instructions, and planning insights to help guide you through the process. The revenue forecast helps you project income over 3 years, including donations, grants, sponsorships, fundraising, and other funding sources. You'll also separate restricted and unrestricted revenue so you can better understand how flexible your funding is. Next, the expense forecast helps you estimate operating costs, while the program expense forecast isolates the costs of delivering your programs and automatically links those totals back to your overall expenses. You'll also find a program and funding summary for a high-level view of programs, funding sources, and budgets. The cash flow forecast helps you see when money comes in and goes out, so you can spot potential cash shortages before they happen. Your planning then comes together through the statement of activities, the manually completed statement of financial position, and the financial snapshot, which highlights trends, ratios, cash flow, program investment, and overall financial position. Supporting trackers for assets, liabilities, bills, and payroll help you organize the information behind your projections. The goal is simple, not just more numbers, but better financial decisions. Whether you're launching a new nonprofit, preparing for growth, or pursuing funding, this workbook gives you a practical place to start. The 2026 revised edition of the AMA Consulting Group Nonprofit Financial Plan Workbook is available now at Ignite Learning. Take the guesswork out of your projections and build a financial plan to support your mission.